Hey everyone, now I will move on to next part in our chapter, which is the trend line. And the trend line means that we are fitting a curve with some function. So it can be polynomial, it can be power law, it can be exponential, linear, moving average. I mean, you have lots of options to fit a curve. So let me move to our example back. So what I will do is that I will try to fit a function for this curve. You see, it's a very smooth curve. I mean, I know it will be cubic function, but just let's see how to use the trend line. I will just right click on it and then make the wind speed statistics and the other ones invisible. So so you can click on it and then you can say that add trend line. Right click on it and then you can say that add trend line, so you can see which one you are selecting. But another option is that if you go to chart design, select a series and then you go to that is format. Let me just show you one more time. You first select your series and then you go to format, and then in this format, for example, if you couldn't select the correct series, and you can look for the series that you are looking for. But in our case, there is one series. Let me show the other ones as well so you can see what I mean. You have three series and say that you are trying to select this one, okay? And then you go to format and then you can see that series option 2 and then the other series. So this way you can find the series that you are looking for, because sometimes there are multiple series and then it is tough to select the one that you want. Anyway, let me just again remove them. Sorry, this one will keep it. Okay, I select the series and then right click, add trend line. So when you select the trend line, you see you have linear option, logarithmic option, polynomial option. So even if you select the polynomial, you have the order of polynomial, which order do you want. So I will just go with the polynomial because linear, you see that linear doesn't fit well. And also there is an option that you can click the display R squared value. The R squared value essentially in statistics is that here it is, let me zoom in, here it is 0.82, so which is not good. So if R squared value is close to 1, so what it means is that whatever function that you are trying to fit is perfect. So in our case, the linear is not good. I will just go to polynomial and then I will increase maybe order to 3, and you can see the third order polynomial is good, 4 and then 5. You can go this way up to polynomial order that you want. I will keep as 3 and then display the equation as well. I will say the display equation on the chart. You will see, let me just zoom out and then move this one away. You can see that it brings up me the equation as well as the R square value. So if you go to home and then you can make the color and then this one is bigger. So that is it's cubic because we know it is cubic, that our formula was cubic, but that is coefficient, and you can even check, you can put the formula here, this real formula, and then check how it is correct in your case. Let me see where I can check it. Okay, here, insert. The formula is that it is 108.57 times the wind speed to the power of 3 minus 7e minus 10 times this one again to the power of 2 minus 8e minus 8 to the power of sorry, this is constant. So you can see it is 0.000, and it is also the same, almost the same. Let me just see the other values. You can see, oh, I made a small mistake here. Let me see. So 108.57 be 2 to the power of 3 minus Okay, I have one more value, sorry, I missed one more here. So it will be that plus 1e minus 8 times this one. Okay, so let's see what is the problem. So 180 times b3 to the power of 3 minus this value times b3 to the power of 2, and then plus this value and then minus that value. Oh, sorry, that's all right. So I'm comparing with this, sorry. So this one is the trend line. Again, watts. So you can see the 0 and the 0, and I have the power, and the same power I have you can see the values are matching. So this one is the trend line values, that the value that you are fitting by function, and this one is the real values. In our case, it was good because the formula, if I bring back the formula, you can see it's a cubic formula. So it's very, I mean, it's lucky. Sometimes, you know, you are looking for the best one, and sometimes it fits, sometimes you check the other ones. Your main reference is this R square value. If this R square value is close to 1, then you are lucky. It's 0.9 to something, it is good. Thank you for watching.